ơi muôn thanh thông răng quỳnh bằng tranh đông cần đông lấy chiếc quay hương ôi màn ru rương chiếc mây lang đào sao
cha cha sama con sông cái rộng anh chơi kẹt tay cũng còn một đòn tiếp với cha cha cái sông con đó bằng con từng ông một phiền ngon đây mà ngày pe về liền mình làm lại đặc biệt chung sông ai cụ thể bắt điểm môi ní cứมันติดง่ายที่chaทำไปคนละไงchaให้cái sông nóออกคนละคนหนึ่งออกเคลียร์ได้ช่วยกันเตรียมปวดchaสมคนchaออกคนอ่อนcha cha sau mình trên tại khuพิธีกรរបស់នេះខ្ញុំគឺលោកចៅអនសាន់trên
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, please, for that performance. Please, thank you.
ไม่ได้ยังเชียร์กันว่า
But I'm mic speaker off. But very, very beautiful. Good job, Soprano.
จะเอาคนจะ
Real quick, ladies and gentlemen, for those who just got here, we cannot park on the side of the commons or on the street. If you guys are parked, you will get towed and you will get ticketed. So we're kindly asking you, if you are parking on the street here, you have to move your vehicle. Again, this is adjacent to the festival. If it's on the side of the house, it's okay. But if you're doing a block in the middle of the street, we cannot have your car there. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we have raffles for sale. This year, we have a lot of raffles. When you have the opportunity, right in the front, if you're looking this way to the left, there's a white tent. It's the organization table, and we're selling raffles this year. We have a lot of great raffles, so please make your way up. And also, ladies and gentlemen, we also have our police officers here, so we want to just take this opportunity to thank them to make sure that everybody is safe and making sure that people are following the guidelines and protocols of safety, okay? So thank you very much.
ចាសូមអរគុណជាបន្តមកទៀតនេះក៏សូមទស្សនាកំសាន្តនៅរបាំជូនពរដោយសម្ដែងដោយអប្សរាអង្គការណាដេមទ្រូរបស់យើងចា
All right, ladies and gentlemen, next up, we have another traditional dance. It's the Rabam Junpo. This is a blessing dance, a traditional Khmer dance that offers good blessing and good fortune to everybody here today. This is a very traditional dance. We have our youth practicing for a couple weeks. They're excited, and we cannot wait to show the world how we're able to help the new generation learn these very difficult dances. And also, ladies and gentlemen, it's important that everybody who has photography equipment or cameras, we have our event photographers here. They're wearing a bright green shirt. So we just ask that you please make way for them because we hired and offered them to be our photographers. So we're just kindly asking all of you to be mindful and let our photographers take great pictures of the event, okay? So thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Rabam Chunpur.
ចាសូមរីកកំសាន្តដោយតទៅចា
Thank you. All set. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was a little blessing that we wanted to bless the stage. It was a certain song, maybe you couldn't hear it, but before we do performances, we have to bless to make sure that everything falls correctly. So, thank you to our instructors for doing that.
เอาทำไมเนี่ยเอาเปล่านอกมาเนี่ยเนี่ยไอ้นี่กายชนเนี่ยจ้าเนี่ยจ้าจะเป็นตอนไหนก็ไอ้ตอนเป็นอะไรได้สบายค่ะสบายวันนี้เราจะทำอะไรอยู่ไหนกันเนี่ย